Did you know that the largest spider in the world is the Goliath bird-eater? This incredible creature can grow up to a foot in size. Imagine a spider that weighs as much as a small puppy. Native to the rainforests of South America, these giant arachnids are not just impressive in size, they have some fascinating traits. Their legs can span up to 12 inches, and they have a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they can release tiny hairs from their abdomen that irritate the skin of predators. Surprisingly, despite their name, Goliath bird-eaters primarily feast on insects and small animals, not birds. They're a vital part of their ecosystem, helping to control pest populations. So, next time you think of spiders, remember the Goliath bird-eater and its astonishing size and role in nature.